What if I told you that OpenAI just secured a single AI deal worth over $10 billion? That's right. Cerebras Systems is supplying 750 megawatts of ultra-low-latency compute power to supercharge OpenAI's AI models through 2028. This isn't just a contract, it's a power play in the global race for AI dominance. Before we dive deeper, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment so you don't miss any cutting-edge AI updates. This partnership is massive. Cerebras' specialized chips will give OpenAI faster response times and higher efficiency for demanding tasks, from advanced chatbots to generative tools. The phased rollout starts this year and will continue through 2028, creating the world's largest high-speed AI inference deployment. For Cerebras, this deal diversifies its revenue beyond its reliance on a single client, positioning the company strongly ahead of its anticipated IPO. For OpenAI, it means access to unprecedented computational firepower, enough to power massive data centers dedicated to next-generation AI models. Cerebras wafer-scale chips outperform traditional GPUs in certain workloads, reducing latency and energy consumption. This could give OpenAI an edge over competitors like Google and Anthropic in delivering faster, smarter AI experiences. The scale is staggering. 750 megawatts is equivalent to powering a small city. It's a bold bet on the future of AI, blending innovation with strategic infrastructure. While some question whether such massive investments will pay off, the tangible benefits are clear. Faster AI, more efficient deployment, and a stronger position in the AI arms race. As OpenAI continues to expand its infrastructure, this deal highlights how critical cutting-edge hardware is for staying ahead in AI development. If you want to see how these AI power moves shape the industry, check out the related video in the corner. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts below. The future of AI is here, and it's happening fast.